Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to place a trade right here in Hantec Markets. And if you want to place a trade, it's very simple because what we're going to do from here is search for a symbol where you want to place a trade on. So let's do, for example, right now, Ethereum. Then we select right here Ethereum, and now we are having here Ethereum on the chart. Then right now what we're going to do is click on new order, and now we can decide right here which order we want to use. If I'm honest, use market execution because that is a direct execution, and that is what I want to show you because you want to place a trade, so I will do that directly. So select right here market execution, select right here the volume that you want to create for yourselves. So you can do 0.1 and that is fine for now. I'm using a demo account, so it doesn't matter for me. Then you can put a stop loss or a take profit on it by simply clicking on the plus icon and then fill in right here what the price needs to be, or throw the line right here to where you want it. You can do this also for a take profit, but right now I just show you how to place a trade. And then the last step that we need to do from now is click here on buy by market. And there we are. This is our nice ticket. Then we just buy Ethereum for this position at this price. So now you see it standing right here, and this is how you can place a trade right here on Hantec Markets. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.